Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 5 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Then scroll down to grade 5. Then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. So we're going to start with the chapter multiplication. So here is the list of the lessons we are going to cover today. They are multiply two-digit number by three-digit numbers, box multiplication, lattice multiplication, multiply two-digit number by larger numbers. Got it? So let's just start with the first lesson. Let me just write down the lesson name, then we'll start. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions on your notebook. So let's just start with the first lesson, multiply two-digit number by three-digit numbers. Let me write down the lesson name. Multiply the two-digit numbers by three-digit numbers. Okay, here I am on grade 5 maths. The chapter name is multiplication and the lesson we're going to start is, here it is, multiply two-digit number by three-digit numbers. Got it? So just click on the continue button and start with the lesson. Okay, you have to multiply. Let's start with a test question. Okay, we have to do 258 times 83. Got it? So start multiplying 258 times 83. So 3 times 8 is, start multiplying from the ones digit. So 3, start multiplying with the 3. 3 times 8 is 24. Write 4 and carry 2. 3 times 5 is 15 into 17. 7 and carry 1. 3 times 2 is 6 and 1, 7. Got it? Now we're going to start multiplying the tens digit. So you have to start writing the numbers right below the tens digit. Got it? 8 times 8 is 64. 4 and 6 carry. 8 times 5 is 40 and 6, 46. 6 and 4 carry. 8 times 2 is 16 and 4, 20. Got it? You have to just add them. 4 plus 0 is 4. 7 plus 4 is 11. 1 and 1 carry. 7 and 1, 8 and 8 and 6, 14. 4 and 1 carry. 1 plus 0 is 1 and here you have 2. Got it? That means the correct option is 21,444. Very good. That would be the correct option. So option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 392 times 90. So you have to multiply just non-zero values. So just multiply 392 times 2. 9. Got it? 9 times 2 is 18. 8 and 1 carry. 9 times 9 is 27 and 1, 28. 8 and 2 carry. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 9 is 81. 1 and 8 carry. Got it? 9 times 9 is, let me just do it again. 9 times 2 is 18, 8, 1 carry. 9 times 9 is 18 and 182, 2, 8 carry. 9 times 3 is 27 and 8, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. 9 times 3 is 27. It would be 35. Got it? So it would be 3,528, but we have a 0 with the 90. Got it? So it would be 35,280. So option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? So when you are multiplying with the, like you have 90 here, you don't have to multiply with the 0. Just multiply the non-zero values and add a 0 at the when you're done with the multiplication. Got it? So it would be 35,280. Got it? So the correct option is 35,280. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 173 times 35. Okay, let's just do 173 times 35. 5 times 3 is 15. Write 5 here and carry 1. 5 times 7 is 35 and 36. Write 6 here and carry 3. 5 times 1 is 5 and 3, 8. Now we're going to multiply the tens digit. So you have to write the numbers right below the tens digit. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 7 is 21, 1 and 2 carry. 3 times 1 is 3 and 2, 5. Just add them. 5 plus 0 is 5. 9 plus 6 is 15. 5 and 1 carry. 8 and 1, 9 and 1, 10, 0 and 1 carry. And 5 and 1, 6. So that would be 6,055. Got it? 173 times 35 is 6,055. Got it, everyone? So just select the correct option. Number 2 is the correct option. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 271 times 27. So let's just multiply. It would be 271 times 27. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 7 is 49. Write 9 and 4 carry. 7 times 2 is 14 and 14 plus 4 is 18. Okay, now 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 7 is 14 and 1 carry. 2 times 2 is 4 and 1, 5. So just add them. 7 plus 0, 7. 9 and 2, 11. 1 and 1 carry. 8 and 1, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13. 3 and 1 carry. 5 and 1, 6 and 1, 7. So please make sure when you're working with multiplication, you are perfect with the tables. Got it? Like I am perfect with the tables. So that's why multiplication is very easy for me. So please make sure before doing the multiplication, you are done with the tables. Got it? So the correct option is 7,317. The first option is the correct one. I think you're not allowed to use calculator in grade 5. So you have to be perfect with the tables. Got it? It would be 7,317. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, great. Okay, the next one is 893 times 40. So just multiply the non-zero numbers. Just do 893 times 4. Okay, 4 times 3 is 12. 2 and 1 carry. 2 times 9 is 18 and 1, 19. 9 and 1 carry. Sorry, not 2, 4. 4 times 3 is 12, 2, 1 carry. 4 times 9 is 36 and 1, 37. So here we have 7. 4 times 3 is 12, 2, 1 carry. 4 times 9 is 36 and 1, 37. 7 and 3 carry. 4 times 8 is 32, 33, 34, 35. So we have a 0 with the 40. So just add a 0 at the rightmost position. So it would be 35,270. Got it? The correct option is 35,270. Okay, the next one is 483 times 85. So let's just start with the 483 times 85. 5 times 3 is 15. Write 5 and carry 1. 5 times 8 is 40 and 1, 41. 1 and 4 carry. 5 times 4 is 20 and 4, 24. Now we're going to multiply the tens digit. So add a 0 right below the ones. 8 times 3 is 24. 4 and 2 carry. 8 times 8 is 60. 8 times 8 is 64 and 2, 66. 6 and 6 carry. 8 times 4 is 32 and 6, 38. Got it? 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 and 1 is 5. 6 are 4, 10, 0 and 1 carry. 8 and 2, 10 and 1, 11. 1 and 1 carry. So 3 and 1 is 4. It would be 410,055. Got it? Option number 1 is the correct one. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. So you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. Got it? And the next lesson is box multiplication. Let me just write down the lesson. Okay, here I'm on grade 5 maths. The chapter is multiplication. So the lesson name is box multiplication. So let's just start with the box multiplication. Okay, let's see what is the box multiplication. Use the box method to find 85 times 335. Calculate the sum next to the table. Your answers for the sum will fill the answer for the product. Okay, you have to do 85 times 355. So you have to write the numbers as their place value. Write with so in 85, 8 is at the 80s position and 5 is at the ones. So you can write 80 like this and 5. So then 335, 3 is at the hundreds position, 3 is at the 30 position and 5 is at the ones position. So you have to multiply like this. Like in this column you have 80 and 300. So you have to multiply 80 times 300. Got it? Let's just do an example. This is already solved. So let me just do the example, then that would be easy to explain. Okay, so you have to multiply 52 times 43. So you have to write down the numbers as their place value. Like we can write 52 as 50 and plus 2. Got it? And we can write 43 as 4 is at 40's. The place value of the digit 4 is 10, so it would be 40 and 3. So you have to multiply like this. For 50 times 40. So 50 times 40 is 5 times 4 is 20. And you have a 0 with 50 and 4 0. So you have to add two zeros. Then you have to do 40 times 2, it would be 80. So you have to add them. 2080 is, you have to add these numbers. 2000 plus 80 is 2080. Got it? And 150 plus 6 is 156. Now you have to just add. 6 plus 0 is 6. 8 plus 5 is 13. 3 and 1 carry 1. 1 and 1 is 2. And here you have 2. So it would be 2236. Got it? So the answer is 2206. That would be the box method. Got it? The option is, the second option is the correct one. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 14 times 58. Let me just explain 14 and 58. So you can write 14 as 1 is at the tens position and 4 is at the ones. So same is the case for this one. 5 is at the tens position and 8 is at the ones. So you have to draw a box. Write one of the number here like 50 plus 8 here. And okay, write 10 plus 8 here. 10 plus 4 here. It doesn't matter which number you write as vertical at as horizontal. Got it? So here you can write 10 plus 4 and 50 plus 8. So here in this box you have 10 and 50. Got it? So you have to do 10 times 50. 5 times 1 is 5 and add both the zeros. Got it? So in this number here you have row is 4 and row is 5 and column is 4. So you have to do 4 times 5 is 20 and you have to add a 0 from this one. Got it? So in this column you have the 10th row and 8th column. So 10 times 8 is 80. So in this row, you have 4 and 8. So 8 times 4 is 32. Got it? So you have to add them. 4, 5, 400, 200 plus 500 is 700 and 80 plus 32 is 112. And then you have to add them. 2, 1 and 8. So it would be 812. Got it? So the correct option is 812. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it? The correct option is 812. The next one is use the box method to find 47 times 48. Calculate the sum to the table. Your answer for the sum will fill the answer for the product. So half of the question is already done. We just have to add them. Got it? So just add the numbers on the same row. 600 and 200, 1600 and 280 is 0, 8, 6 and 2, 8 and 1. So you have to add 600 and plus 280. Got it? Then 320 plus 56 is 6, 7 and 3. So just add them. 6 plus 0 is 6. 8 plus 7 is 15. 5, 1 carry. 8 and 1, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2, 1 carry and 1 plus 1 is 2. It will be 2256. Got it? The second option is the correct option. Got it? It would be 2256. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Use the box method to find 64 times 33. Calculate the sum next to the table. Your answer for the sum will fill in the answer for the product. So you have to just add them. Got it? You have to do 1800 plus 120. So it would be 0. It would be 0, 2, 8 and 1, 9 and 1. Then you have to add 180 plus 12. You have to add them. 180 plus 12 is 2, 9 and 1. It would be 192. So 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. 1 and 1 carry. 9 and 1, 10 and 1, 11, 1 and 1. 1 and 1, 2. It would be 2112. Got it? So the correct option is 2112. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, for the next one, you have to tell me which of the option is the correct one. Just add the numbers and let me know which is the correct option. So which of the option is the correct one? Which option is the correct one? Option 1 or option 2? So the sum is 24,000 plus 1500 is 25,000, 35,000, 24,000 plus 1500, it will be 25,500. And then you have 2,550, and then you have 425. So that would be 28,475. Got it? So second option is the correct one. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 35, 37 times 37. So which of the option is the correct option? It would be 900 plus 219 is 900 plus 210 is 1110, and Just add 259 plus 1110. It would be 1369. Got it? The second option is the correct one. Sorry, the first option is 1369. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just start with the next lesson. The next lesson is lattice multiplication. Got it? Let me just write down the lesson name, then we'll start. Let's see what is the lattice multiplication. Okay, we are working on grade 5 maths. The chapter is multiplication, and here is the lesson lattice multiplication. Okay, use the lattice multiplication to find 35 times 90. Calculate the sum of each diagonal. Use your answers for the sums will fill in the answers of the products. 35 and 90. So 9 times 3 is 27. You have to write the numbers on the diagonals. Then you have to add 2 and 0 and 1. 3, how it is 3. 2, how it is 3. 7 and 4, 11. 1 and carry 1. Okay, okay, got it. Okay, let's start with the example. I'll explain the example. Okay, that is the one we did on the board, but let me explain how you have to add the diagonals. Got it? So that 5 is at the ones position. Got it? So you have to add the diagonals that are at the ones position. So this is the diagonal that are at the one. So 7 plus 4 is 11. You have to write 1 and carry 1 to the tens. Got it? So 2 plus 1 is 3. Then you have to from this side, this is the diagonal that is at the ones position. So 0, and you have 5 plus 0 is 5. So you have to write number like this, 3150. You have to start from, so it would be 315 and 0. That is the correct option. Got it? Got it? So the correct option is 1150. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, you don't have much practice question for this lesson. You can find the practice question by yourself. Okay, let me just do one practice question on the board from the tutorial. Okay, let's start with the, so that you can understand what is actually the lattice multiplication. Let me just do one example on the board. Okay, let's just do um, 24 times 42. Got it? Okay, actually I am not perfect with the method. That is the one. So I'm mm, 24 times 42. Okay, you have to do 24 times 42. Got it? So write them as the rows and the columns. Let's make a 24 times 42. Okay, we have to do 24 times 42. Got it? So here you have 42, and here at this side you have 24. Got it? Okay, for this row and column you have 4 and 2. Got it? So 4 times 2 is 8. So write 8 at the ones position and 0 at the tens. Got it? You have to write ones on this diagonal and 0 at this diagonal. Now you have 2 times 2 is 4. So write 4 here and write the ones digit on the lower diagonals and the tens on the upper diagonals. Got it? Okay. Now for this column, you have to do 4 times 4 is 16. So ones digit is 6 and tens is 1. Got it now? You always write the ones digit on lower diagonals. Got it? Okay, 4 times 2 is 8. You don't have the tens digit. Got it? So now the diagonals are like this. Okay, 0, add the ones diagonal. So it would be the ones digit. So you have to add this diagonal first. 8 plus 1 is 9. Got it? Then you have 0 here. Then you have to do 6 times 4. 6 plus 4 is, add this diagonal first. This is the ones diagonal, 8. And 6 plus 4 is 10. Got it? Wait. 24 times, it is 1008. Okay. So basically, you have to start adding from this diagonal. Got it? Not from this one. Whenever you are start adding, you have to start from the lowest diagonal. Got it? So the lowest diagonal is this one. It would be 8, 6 and 4, 10, 0. You have to carry 1 to the next diagonal. So it would be then 8 and 1, 9 and 1, 10. So you have 0, add carry to the next diagonal. It would be 1 plus 0 is 1. So it would be, write the digit from here to here, 1008. Got it? It would be 1008. So let's just do another example. Got it? Okay, the next one is you have to do 14 times 25. Okay, 1 and 4, 2 and 5. Okay, so 2 times, start multiplying from the lowest diagonal. Got it? 5 times 4 is 20. 0 and 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 0 and 8. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 and 0. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 and 0. Okay, now they are like this. But you have to start adding from the lowest diagonal. Here you have 0. 8 and 2, 10 and 5, 15. So 5 and 1 carry. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So it would be, here you have 0. It would be 350. Let me check. 24 times 15, 14 times 25 is, yes, it is 350. Got it? So that is the lattice method. That's how you multiply the numbers. Got it? It would be 300. You have to start writing numbers from here to here. It would be 350. So 14 times 25 is 350. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test. You can do the practice questions as many as you can to learn the method. Got it? So let's just start with the next lesson. The next lesson is multiply two-digit numbers by larger numbers. Let me just write down the lesson name on the board. The lesson name is multiply two-digit numbers, multiply two-digit number numbers by larger numbers. Okay, let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, here is the lesson, multiply two-digit number by larger numbers. Okay, you have to do 7,000. You have to multiply the digits that are now in thousands. Got it? So you have to do 2,264 times 80. So just multiply the non-zero numbers. You have 2264 times 8. 8 times 4 is 32. 2 and 3 carry. 8 times 6 is 48, 49, 50, 51, 1 and 5 carry 8 times 2 is 16 and 5 21. 1 and 2 carry 8 times 2 is 16 and 2 18. Got it? It would be 18,112. But we have a 0 with 80, so add 0 at the rightmost. So it would be 1000. That would be the correct option, is the second option. Got it? So second option is the correct option. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 1547 times 94. Got it? 1547 times 94. 4 times 7 is 28. 8 and 2 carry. 4 times 4 is 16 and 2 18. 8 and 1 carry. 4 times 5 is 20 and 121. 1 and 2 carry. 4 times 1 is 4 and 2 6. Got it? Now you're going to multiply with the tens digits, right? 0 right below the ones digit, and start writing the number right below the tens digit. 9 times 7 is 63. 3 and 6 carry. 9 times 4 is 36 and 6 39. 9 and 3 carry. 9 times 45 and 3 48. 8 and 4 carry. 9 times 1 is 9 and 4 13. Got it? You have to add 8. 8 and 3 11. 1 and 1 carry. 9 and 1 10 and 1 11. Wait, 9 times 7 is 63. 3 and 6 carry. 9 times 4 is 36 and 6 40. I did a mistake here. Let me just do it again. Wait, let me just do this again. Got it? Because I did a mistake while multiplying. Let me just remove all the carries over here. Okay, it would be 1547. Okay, 9 times 7 is 63. 3 and 6 carry. 9 times 4 is 36 and 6 40. 0 and 4 carry. 9 times 5 is 45 and 4 49. 9 and 4 carry. 9 times 1 is 9 10 11 12 13. Okay, just add 8 plus 0 8. 8 plus 3 11. 1 and 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is 2. 6 and 9 15. 5 and 1 carry. 3 plus 1 is 4 and 1. And the correct option is this one, 145,418. Got it? I did a mistake again. I think something wrong with this one. So the correct second option is the correct option. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 3,833 times 71. Okay, so we have to do 3,833 times 71. 3,833 times 71. Okay, 1 times 3 is 3, 3, 8, and 3. Okay, 7 times 3 is 21, 1 and 2 carry. 7 times 3 is 21 and 2, 23, 3 and 2 carry. 7 times 8 is 56 and 2, 58, 8 and 5 carry. 7 times 3 is 21 and 5, 26. So just add 3 plus 0 is 3. 4, 8 and 3, 11, 1 and 1 carry. 8 and 1, 9, 10, 11, 12, 2, 1 carry. 6 and 1, 7 and 2. It would be the second option. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, and for the next one, you have to tell me which is the correct option. Just multiply and let me know the correct option. 7,298 times 39. So which is the correct option? Which of the option is the correct one? Okay, 7,298 times 39. That would be 284,622. Got it. The second option is the correct one. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 4,255 times 44. So which of the option is the correct one? Just multiply them and let me know the answer. So which option is the correct one? That would be the second option. Got it. 1,187,220. Got it. The second option is the correct one. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, 9,476 times 30. So which option is the correct one? Option number one is the correct one. Got it. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, 2,903 times 21. So which of the option is the correct one? Which of the option is the correct one? You can do the question on your notebook and use your notebook and pencil, do the question on your notebook and let me know the answer. The correct option is the first one. It would be 60,963. Got it. The next one is 8,350 times 74. So which of the option is the correct one? Option number one is the correct option. Got it. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So here is the list of the lessons we've covered today. We're working on grade 5 maths. The chapter working on is multiplication, and the lesson names is multiply two-digit number by three-digit numbers, box multiplication, lattice multiplication, and then multiply two-digit numbers by the larger numbers. So you have to complete the test for all the lessons before the next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Or either you can join me on the interactive session that are daily from Monday to Friday, 4 to 4:45. Got it? So if you have any question, please join me on the interactive session. Got it? So that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.